Title: The Miracle of the Blooming Garden. Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled between rolling hills and a babbling brook, there was a magical garden that was unlike any other. The garden was known far and wide as the Garden of Dreams, and it was said to hold a remarkable secret. In this charming village, there lived a young girl named Lily. She was a kind and gentle child, and her heart was filled with curiosity. One sunny morning, Lily's grandmother, Granny Rose, told her the most incredible story. She said, "Many, many years ago, the Garden of Dreams was a dull, lifeless place, but one day, a special miracle occurred that brought the garden to life." Lily's eyes sparkled with curiosity, and she asked, "What was the miracle, Granny Rose?" Granny Rose smiled and began to tell the story. In those days, the village faced a severe drought. The land had become barren, and the villagers were worried about their crops and flowers withering away. They prayed for rain, but the heavens seemed deaf to their pleas. Lily listened intently as her grandmother continued. Then one day, a kind, lonely traveler named Ella arrived in our village. She was a wanderer who had a deep connection with nature. Ella heard about the village's plight and decided to visit the Garden of Dreams. Ella, Granny Rose said, had a special gift. She could communicate with the plants and animals. When she entered the garden, she talked to the wilted flowers, the thirsty trees, and the sad creatures living there. She whispered words of encouragement and hope. Lily's eyes widened with wonder, and she asked, "What happened next, Granny?" Granny Rose smiled and said, "Miraculously, as Ella spoke to the garden's inhabitants, tiny sprouts emerged from the dry soil. The withered flowers began to bloom, and the trees stood tall and strong. The garden transformed into a paradise of colors and life." Ella continued her magical work, and her love and kindness nurtured the garden back to life. Word of this extraordinary miracle spread throughout the village, and people from near and far came to see the Garden of Dreams for themselves. With the garden's rejuvenation, the villagers realized the importance of caring for the environment. They learned to conserve water, protect the trees, and live in harmony with nature. The garden had not only become a symbol of hope, but also a reminder of the miracles that could happen when people cared for the world around them. As Lily listened to Granny Rose's story, she felt inspired. She decided to visit the Garden of Dreams and carry forward the legacy of caring for the environment, just like Ella had. And as she entered the magical garden, she whispered words of gratitude and hope, knowing that miracles could happen when love and kindness were shared with the world. From that day on, Lily, the children of the village, and the villagers continued to care for the Garden of Dreams, ensuring that the miracle of the blooming garden would be passed down through generations, a reminder that even in the most challenging times, a touch of love and kindness can work wonders and bring miracles to life.